Go on, Jenna.
Yeah, you're right, Bev. Hey, I will send me.
Yo, you know your big man I call you. Come in here, so.
Oh, I'm talking to you. Can you come in here, please?
Oven,
Oven, handbags,
chips,
crisps,
toilet,
toilet,
outer door.
outside.
See that little fat something there over there, so. A Delilah that, you know.
Oh yeah, she's a minx, innit? You've been telling me that, innit?
I offer mobile phone this year.
Who owns this cell phone?
Sometimes you see you is a little bomber clot, you know.
You are a dickhead. You're a straight up dick with an egg. Hey! Whoa!